Okay. Hi. It's me, Lynna, and you won't believe how cold it is here. You absolutely won't believe it. Look at my windows. Why do people live here? I really don't have the slightest clue as to why. Because, goodness gracious, you know? I mean, seriously, it is frigid. Look at me. I'm like in the Eskimo suit here. I brought this snowmobile suit and my down jacket, which absolutely does not work in wet, cold weather. Just, you know, crazy stuff. I mean, it is literally, just cold and just damp. And I mean, am I gonna get out? Because look at, my car is covered in snow, and I don't even know how to, I don't know. Well, I guess I'll figure it out. I'm glad I brought all my jackets because I needed them all. I couldn't have switched out jackets because I need a layer that doesn't turn into a sponge. This is a down jacket and it's a sponge. It's just like wet. Look at it. So for, you know, future people that want to protect themselves in the snow, don't wear a down jacket because it'll just turn into a sloppy, feathery, wet mess. You want to go with layers that are like, I don't know, like fleece, you know, on the top, or a kind of Gore-Tex material to put on the outer layer. You don't want this. This is not good. This is bad. This is bad, Lynna. Bad, Lynna. Lynna shouldn't have done that. But Lynna learns, and Lynna will not repeat. Absolutely not. So what's going to happen next is that I'm going to stop at my neighborhood REI and buy something for myself. Because I obviously don't want to look like a guy, you know, when I'm out there in the cold. I want to present as a female, so I'll get like maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll take you shopping with me. See you guys, bye.